They bought so many of the big items, like the white tufted queen bed frame velvet. They bought it. They bought a lot of the like the coffee table chairs. Yay! It was sold. Remember how we had all the stuff here? It's all gone. The only thing is that thing, and that's to the coffee table right here, which we still need to see if I like it. I need to find a picture to see if I still want to keep her. I'm gonna get a new, this is the TV stand under the TV, but it was so heavy I didn't take it inside yet. Like, I'm not even sure if I want to open it because it's so heavy. But that actually ends up going to this. So I'm gonna put that back here. This I'm gonna probably give Goodwill. No one's gonna want to take that, but we have got rid of so much all in one day, guys. Literally yesterday I only had like one sale because everyone was at work. I didn't realize Friday was that bad. But today, this is the only day I'm doing because tomorrow's Sunday and I think I'm going to LA tomorrow. So today is the last day of the garage sale and I feel like so much is gone. Do you guys remember how the before that we had everything out here? It's like almost empty. The rest of it, there was one guy that said to message him. Like, he gave me his number and then I said, I'm going to go to Goodwill to pretty much donate all this for free. But then he said, call me and we'll settle a price and he'll just take everything so I don't have to go anywhere. So he said after the garage sale is done that he would just buy everything up. But pretty much we're almost done. Once this is all gone, then everything pretty much will know that this is the stuff that's staying with my mom. And then this the stuff I'm taking with me to move out. We went through every single box these last couple days. And yeah, so we're almost done. My brother's stuff was being sold too. It was a bigger bag and a lot of it. It's like a smaller pile now. But yeah, we're almost done. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm in the process of moving, yeah.
I thought maybe that you were just out here sorting to move.
Yes, I was doing that a couple days ago, but then today I'm like,
Yeah, okay.
It feels good to get rid of a lot of things that were from my childhood.
It's so good to just purge.
Yeah, literally. And then you also make room for new stuff.
Yeah, I got these at the other garage sale.
Oh, yeah, there's
$1 a piece. They're like brand new.
Yeah, a lot of brand new stuff. Me too, brand new.
Yeah. Oh, these are good.
Most of everything's $1, everything.
This is so good for like a pet station.
Yeah. Oh,
You know?
they spill. True.